That was a big one.
Yeah.
That might have been one, take another one out too.
Well, at least the wind was like blowing this way, so that one might not damage the house. Yeah. That big house coming right out of the house.
This one will probably clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can literally go surfing on the mill pond right now.
Yeah.
Another one.